Good morning everyone. So most welcome again in your Institute Advanced Fluent English Speaking and Personality Development Institute. First, I would like to congratulate my all YouTube viewers, my all dear students for Ramadan Kareem and Chaitr Navrat. So today I am going to teach all of you about the use of whenever it is seen. Use of whenever it is seen. It means जब देखो. It means जब देखो. This type of sentences we face in our life regularly, continuously and daily, but we cannot translate it exactly, correctly, and we don't know how will translate it, how will make it correctly, exactly. Now, so we will learn about that, how will we translate it correctly. Without wasting the time, so I am going to teach all of you about of use whenever it is seen. जब देखो. So I have first example. जब देखो तुम फोन चलाते रहते हो. जब देखो तुम फोन चलाते रहते हो. You can translate in English. Whenever it is seen, you keep using phone. Whenever it is seen, you keep using phone. I have second translate. I have second example. जब देखो तुम बहाने बनाती रहती हो. जब देखो तुम बहाने बनाती रहती हो. You can translate and you can make it in English. Whenever it is seen, you keep making excuse. Whenever it is seen, you keep making excuse. I have three example. जब देखो तुम पैसे मांगते रहते हो. जब देखो तुम पैसे मांगते रहते हो. You can translate in English. You can make in English. Whenever it is seen, you keep asking for money. Whenever it is seen, you keep asking for money. So I have lost the final example. जब देखो तुम गेम खेलते रहते हो. जब देखो तुम गेम खेलते रहते हो. You can translate it in English sentence. You can make it in English sentence. Whenever it is seen, you keep playing game. Whenever it is seen, you keep playing game. So it is a rule of use of whenever it is seen. It means जब देखो आप ये करते रहते हो. जब देखो आप खेलते रहते हो. So you can make the all sentences with the rule. It is rule. We first write whenever it is seen, and after that subject, and after that keep, and after that verb of first form, and after that ing, and after that object. So it is a today topic use of whenever it is seen. जब देखो. So I hope my all YouTube viewers, my all dear student who watching my video regularly and continuously take a lot of knowledge. So I would like to congratulate again for Ramadan Kareem and Chaitr Navrat. Thank you. Welcome.